G'day folks, my name is Paddy Outback and today I shall be installing an OEM centre stand onto my 2019 Suzuki V-Strom XT. So let's get cracking. This is everything you need. This is the centre stand itself. These are the various bolts and fixings and the spring. We have got the two adapter plates, and apparently, according to the instructions which I have here, I am going to need a 12mm socket slash spanner, a 14mm, and some grease. It also says I need a spring hook and a torque wrench, but I don't have either of those things, so I'm probably just gonna have to improvise. First bit that goes on is the left hand side bracket, which connects to these two bolt holes here that you can see. My bike is really dirty. Yes, I know, I need to clean it. Anyway, let's get on with that. And that's that one done. Next step is to put this piece on the right hand side. So let's go do that. Same thing, there's two holes over there, should bolt straight in. Well, this one really does not want to go in. We'll keep trying. It's just the exhaust is just in the right location. Hang on a minute, I just need to get this bad boy here, and we should be able to get it in. It's just because of the location of the exhaust makes it a bit more difficult, but we'll cope. Nearly got this one tightened, and then I'm going to have to go for a minute. My lunch is here. And once I've this tightened, I shall go eat my pie and come back to it. 31 degrees at the moment. Summer's coming. And I nearly fell over something. Damn it.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we move on to the stand. The next job we have to do is insert these two spacers into their respective mounts there. And that requires a bit of greasing first, so let's get that done. Next job is to get the center stand. The kick part of it goes on the left hand side of the bike, and you take these two big 14mm bolts and bolt them onto that hole. Pretty simple. And typically enough, I don't actually have a 14mm socket. The biggest one I have is 13 because I only have a crappy toolkit. So I'm just going to have to use the wrench, and this may take a while. So I'll be back when it's done.
Thousands of tears later.
We are nearly done, just a couple of small little bits to go, including arguably the worst part of it, putting the springs on. According to the manual, you just have to grease up the mounting points, and I'm just going to see if I can jimmy them on with a screwdriver. Wish me luck. So we now get to the last part of my centre stand install video, which is me standing outside Future Sport Motorcycles waiting for the lads here to put the springs on. According to the lads here, it's an absolute nightmare of a job, so while I spent basically 24 hours, it's a day later from when all the rest of the video was recorded, trying to fix it, it seems that it's not an uncommon problem, and the service team here have been caused many a headache by it. So if you are installing an OEM Suzuki center stand, prepare to struggle with the springs. All done. Now let's go home and test it. And that is the center stand all sorted. No more messing around with paddock stands and all of that jazz when I have to clean my chain. Good luck.